Hello, my dear friend. Today I'm going to just write just okay okay. Hello, my dear friend. Today, due to the electricity problem, I will not attend your class, and that's because uh, for your good confirmation, I'm going to record my videos. And giving you some examples about the different types of related program. How can we solve the problems without wasting of our time? I would like to consider these things very nicely here in our program. So all of you please be alert and listen carefully. If the question is how to write a program to print the table, let me tell you one more time how to write the program a table. Okay, so here is the type of related table bus I have already saved. This is the this is the program. Here is the CLS input. Enter the number n for I is equal to 1 to 10. Print n column x inverted under inverted comma. There is another more. This is the logic that please remember in your mind. The logic is here, you have to remember. And the next I and the in. If you run the program F5, if you press the number, if you want to open the table 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, then you have to press 9. If you press the enter, your yes, the table of 9 1 ja will appear in your screen. One more time, press F5 and press the table which you are going to show here in computer. For example, I'm just want to show about the 19 ones. You have pressed the 19, then computer will show the results 19 ones. This is the table format. Another more example, I'm going to show you how to make the pattern, how to generate the pattern of 1 2 3 or Nepal, like that. Here's the CLS and about the different types of related statements. We have already uh, recorded in our previous program. So in this program, another more few examples that I'm going to show you how to print such types of related pattern by using for and next statements. Yes, the program is how to print the pattern of given word. For example, CLS a string is equal to, let me tell you, a string, it means you can write any types of variable, a b c, any types of variable. So we better to write here. I'm just going to write here to solve the problem here, how to show the pattern by using this command. Is the CLS a string is equal to, okay, I'm going to show here, Nepal police school. Okay, enter. Then the question, the next statement that I'm going to write here, for I is equal to, if I'm right, I, instead of I you can write any types of letter. No need to worry about the variable. The variable must write here, and the it is depend on you which type of variable you want to use here. Instead of I, you can write also A, you can write also B, you can write also C. But basically, the I is equal to, for example, 1 to lane bracket start, small, yes, small bracket start, and press here the A string. That A string indicates 1 to Want to lane means Nepal Police School related word. What is the lane? Length. It means lane means length. That lane will display the value of I. That's because it is the for I is equal to 1 to lane. The next one, print LEFT left dollar under a bracket. You can write here a string comma I and the bracket close. Press int. Let me show you. Yes, press okay. So here's the to lane $8 and the where is the next? Here is the next I. It is missing one. Okay, now here is the with the help of for and next. For next. This is a very important terms and condition of looping statement. For and next one is the looping statement. By using the looping statement, we are going to run here about the given word or sentence in a pattern in a pattern system. How to show? Let me run the program. Here is the program that will run. One more time, I'm going to show you, my dear student. If you are going to run this program will show you like that pattern base. It is the by using the string variable and the looping statements. Okay. So one more time, if you are going to change here the right, okay, if you are going to change here RIGHT, then computer will show right to left. If you are going to write here LEFT, it will show you left to right. So I hope you will understood, my dear student. The next example I'm going to show you how to print such types of related different patterns by using the numbers. Let me show you how to write the numbers by using the pattern related things. Okay, so here is the problem that I'm going to solve you. CLS, the same thing I'm going to show you. A string is equal to, okay, 1 to 1 to lane. You can write sorry, there is the for example 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the things that I have already written here. For I is equal to, if you are going to write here 1 to, yes, 1 to LEN lane, bracket start a string, bracket close into print LEFT left string 1 a string I next I in. Let me show you. Let me run 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. If the value is going to add here, if the value is going to add here, then we can add here easily 5 6 7 8 9. Let me check the program. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the techniques and idea how to print the different types of given numbers or the given numbers or given any types of related words in a pattern uh, pattern base. It is the question writer program to print the generate the following patterns by using the this type of things. Okay, you can also change the name also. One more time I'm going to tell you. If you are going to show you the other things about the related types of program, the same program like CLS. Okay, now I'm going to change the variable for your good confirmation here. I'm going to change here B string is equal to, okay, Here is I have written here. Oh, okay. We online NPS. Sorry, there is the on NPS online examination. Okay, examination. You can utilize the for looping statement for. Okay, a is equal to. Okay, for a is equal to, for is equal to 1 to len string. Okay, b a string. This is the technique that you can utilize. Print here, print left, left a string. Under the bracket you can write here b a string, comma, as the a. There's the next a int, right? Sorry, as the len, 1 to len dollar. Okay, variable will not be accepted, I think. Right, b a string. So now sec left b a string, the next a, run the program. Oh yes, maybe here's the for. A little bit mistake is occurring here. Is because the program is a little bit miss the command here. That's because it is going to not run the program. Okay, let me try one more time. For a is equal to for okay, a is equal to 1 to len. Okay, now run the program. Here is run, already run. See, this is the problem. That problem we have already solved. How to generate the related types of uh, looping statements for the pattern to generate the following pattern. Okay, so I hope you understood. One more time I'm going to tell you. Okay, the next example is how to write the question is write a program to generate the following pattern. I have already shown you how to generate the following pattern. There is different techniques. Another techniques I'm going to use here. If you are going to write CLS, okay, for I is equal to 1 to 5. For j is equal to 1 to I. It means, let me tell you, let me write first, then I will describe. Print j colon, next j, print next I, and the int. Check the program. 1 to 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 and 5. Before this programming, we just read about the pattern, those who are printing the len of the given value or the variable. Okay, or a numeric variable, or the there is the different types of variable. Specifically we are just going to utilize here different types of techniques for the printing the different types of pattern. In this pattern, in this question, there is written here how to generate the following pattern. If the pattern is 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 in a pattern way, page number 272 for class 8, and the for class 7, page number 228. This is the same question from the practical workshop that you have to exercise on your computer, on your at your home. The logic is, I'm going to tell you one more time. If the value is going to change here 7, then what, let me run the program. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we are going to write here Right here, 2 to 8. Okay, here is the value we are going to change to. Now run the program. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the logic. You can change easily. Okay. Okay. So the program I have already show you before. The program before I have already show you about the table. That table, please do exercise for your good confirmation. This is a very simple technique how to generate the table of our own that we remember in a school learning period, basically when we are under a junior level. This program can help to find out all the calculation of the table, 1 1 jar, 2 1 jar, 3 1 jar, at least 20 1 jar, or any types of related value you can press. You can just check it here. If you press the 25, the table of 25, it is available very easily without any interruptions. Again, if you are going to write, okay, 75, press the 75 on the 75, 75 to the 150, 3 is 225, 74 is 300, 75 is 375, 76 is 440. This is the logic and techniques for the good confirmation. I'm going to show you another more example how to print such types of related logics by using the giving commands. If the by using, especially it is the nested loop statements that we have to be clear here. There is another techniques that I'm going to use here. Alt Fn. Okay, here's the CLS. Let me show you. For x is equal to, this is the value 1 to 5 that we it is just like a late by using the for and next looping statement. Okay, for y is equal to y 1 to x, 1 to x, print y, next, print, and then next, and the int. Let me run the program. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. This is the another method. By that method we can utilize such types of related pattern. So all are the practical workshop that you have to be understood. Okay, under the practical workshop there is a page number 226 for class 7, and for class 8 it is also related to class 8 because the same question is here in your book. A little bit change is over there. Okay, so the things that I'm going to show you, the question is, write a program to print 5 1 to 100. Basically, if the question is how to print 1 to 100, make a program by using your own concept that you have already configured by your teacher. Yes, CLS. Let me show you. If you are going to write for I is equal to, very simple, for I is equal to 1 to, sorry, I is equal to 1 to 100. Okay, print I, next I, int. Run the program 1 to 100. It is the when we run, it will show just like in a column way. If you are going to write in a wide in a horizontally, you have to add here column. If you press the column, it can print 1 to 100 very easily. If you are going to write here 1000, then it will print the 1000 value here. So this is the techniques and program, that the program will help to solve the different types of problem. Okay, so another more example I'm going to show you here, how to write a program to find the 3 different greatest number. Okay, smallest or greatest number, largest number. Here's the program that I have already checked. It is written here. Okay, it is written here. The question is to find the largest number. Write a program to find if the value is given, if the three input value is given, which is the largest number. That largest number, yes, that largest number can printed by the computer. Let me show you, my dear friend. Here is a program. That program I'm going to copy here. Okay, now if you press here, enter the first number. Okay, your first number is 45, second number is 65, third number is 23. Which is the greatest number? Yes, 65 is the largest number. One more time I'm going to tell you. And the question is how to change the a little bit variable, a little bit related variable or the number when you are going to press by yourself. 86 first number, second number 12, third number is 100. Which one is the greatest? 100 is the largest number. So this is the techniques. And for your kind information, my dear friend, due to the electricity problem, I would not attend my class today. So all the students of class 8 and 7, please do share the things that can help you to solve the problems. For the other students, they can utilize the exercise for their own. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.